Hello! This is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn how you can improve your daily workflow with these tips and tricks on how to utilize your remote access. In the previous video of this series, we showed you some simple troubleshooting for your VPN and for your internet. But now that you are connected to the VPN, what exactly can you do? In this video, we will be showing you what exactly you can achieve from home and how to organize your desktop better so that you can manage your remote environment best. First off, we need to connect to your VPN. In the bottom right-hand corner of your desktop, you will see your internet connection. In this section, there is an option to connect to your VPN. Click on the Connect button, and if prompted, enter your username and password. After a moment, the VPN will connect. And at first, you may not notice any difference, but once you connect to the VPN, you are connected to your work network. This means that work-specific locations like network drives are available to you. Open your File Explorer and you will see on the left-hand side the different network drives you have access to. You may notice that they are grayed out with a large red X through them. This is because you were not originally connected to your work network when you logged into your computer, but after connecting to the VPN, try clicking on one of these drives and you will see how it changes from red to green. You can now go through the network folders and files you have access to just like you would in the office. If there is a commonly used folder that you access through one of these drives, you can easily pin the folder to your quick access menu to save some time. When connected to the VPN, you can also access remote desktop sessions you may have set up on your computer. When you are not connected to the VPN and you try and open a remote desktop session, you may be met with errors with connection issues. But once you connect to the VPN, you will be able to access your remote desktop sessions like you would if you were in the office. Though there are files and applications you can only access through VPN, there are many things you can still use while not connected to the VPN. If you are using programs like Dropbox or Outlook, you do not need to connect to the VPN because those work independently on the internet. However, some software and timekeeping applications on your computer may need the VPN. If you are working on a program but are having issues opening files, these might be saved to your network drives. If you are getting connection errors with a program or files, try connecting to your VPN. Thank you! And if you need assistance setting up your VPN connection, if you are having troubles with your remote connection, or if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.